not at Disneyland? I know. Goofy! Okay. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me. Look, put it on. Can you put it on?
Say happy birthday to me. Say happy birthday. Say it nice.
Happy birthday.
That's not nice.
Happy birthday
To
you. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
beautiful. Want to sing the hand song?
Can I use it on my phone?
I guess you don't. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
Say bye, Landon.
Bye, Landon.
Okay. Hi, Landon.
Hi.
What's tomorrow?
Easter Bunny.
Easter Bunny?
Yeah.
What's it gonna bring you?
Eggs.
Eggs?
Yeah.
You gonna eat the eggs?
Yeah.
I thought you didn't like eggs.
Well, with candy in them, I do. But I didn't think real eggs pretend. And hey, Mommy,
What?
if I was taking a picture of everything on that wall,
Oh, I wasn't taking a picture of that.
why? Then why?
Huh?
Then why?
Tell me about tomorrow. Hold on 1 second, okay?
Okay.
Yes?
Remember we went in my pool and we went at the car wash
Yes.
and we went in the pool and you and Yaya with underwear and I'm crying.
You were crying?
Yeah. Well, Yaya went under the pool.
Oh.
I didn't say the water.
You want to sing the bus song for me?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
The bus day. Wait a minute.
Bless you.
The bus day. You won that kick.
That's not how it goes. Is that how it goes?
I know, no ass.
Move on back. Move on back. Driver on the bus says move on back. Hey! I'm going to tell Yaya she taught you something bad.
Yeah, you could that too.
Okay.
You could.
Say, I'll see you in the morning, Easter Bunny. Okay, do you want to tell what your prayers are tonight?
Yes.
What?
God bless Mommy. God bless Sarah. God bless Megan.
And everybody?
Yeah, and everybody.
And what is Easter about? What about Jesus?
Mommy.
What is Easter about?
Mommy.
No, wait, answer my question first.
Well, hey, Mommy.
Jesus died?
Yeah.
How?
On the cross.
For what?
For our sins.
For our sins. And he washed them away with what?
With blood.
With the blood of what?
With the dough.
Of the lamb.
Of the man.
And then what does yellow mean?
To get a new life.
To get a new life for all of us, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the red.
Huh?
With the red.
The blood of the lamb.
What is the other lamb mean?
Lamb, like you know the animal?
Yeah.
That's what the lamb means.
Wait a minute.
Say goodbye.
Bye, Landon. I will watch the baby. I will watch the baby whale.